Hi everyone, this is Manoj from Madlookz VFX and this is not a tutorial. I created this video for thanking every one of you who commented down your thoughts, commented down your queries and your suggestions as well. You gave a lot of feedbacks for me last year and those of you who liked my videos and who shared this video with their colleagues who are seeking knowledge. I personally grew a lot this year. I learned a lot of stuff, a lot of new things, like I started learning Blender. I started learning a little bit of Unreal Engine. I started learning a lot of nuke related stuff. I personally met a lot of people in Canadian visual effects industry. I made a lot of new friends as well. So it was a fantastic year for me. I really wish it's the same for you as well. So personally, I just want to thank every one of you who are seeing this video or who supports my channel directly or indirectly. A very warm thank you. So I appreciate your support and I will make sure next year I'm going to bring up much more content, much more informative stuff and a lot of creative stuff as well. And I want to thank every one of you who participated in the creative contest. Even though I'm not that happy with the participations for the creative contest, because there were hardly like 2 or 3 people participating in this contest, and but I really want to thank those people who participated, and also I'm happy because I was able to give them something for their effort for the creative contest. So I hope this year was amazing in terms of work and all this stuff, even though we were facing a lot of difficulties because of COVID and all these things. But I really wish every one of you to learn much more in the next year, and just keep on digging a lot of new knowledge. So I have selected 5 or 6 questions which people ask me in my channel, and I'm going to give you the answer. I'm going to show you the monetary benefits, or the monetary earnings which I earned by running this YouTube channel. So I'm going to show you what exactly I earned in the last year, so that any one of you who wish to do tutorial stuff or YouTubing stuff can get to know what the reality is. So if you have any queries related to YouTubing stuff, you can comment down that in my videos as well. So that's all about this video. I hope this video will be interesting for you. So let's jump into the next module. Okay, so this question seems pretty interesting because even I don't have any specific idea or specific aim for next year, but I assure you I will make content for this YouTube channel, and also I have a plan of making a small course for rotopaint artist. Why? Because I'm really good in that. So I really wish I could get some time to make some tiny courses for rotopaint artist. This is not for sure, but I will just give it a try for next year. And also talking about the big step. Okay, so after the new year, I'm planning to launch my website. So the website address will be www.madlookzVFX.com. So through this website, you can easily find the tutorials which I posted in YouTube, and also you can find the audio version of the podcast. Also, there will be a section for blog post where you can find blogs related to 2D compositing and rotopaint. And also there will be a contact section where you can contact me. You can book an appointment or a call with myself for any kind of queries regarding, for example, if you have queries regarding your work productivity or something and you need some guidance, you can contact me. Or if you have some queries regarding abroad education or something, you can contact me even for that as well. So I will be launching my website pretty soon. So I guess my next big step for 2022 will be launching my website, and also launching a tiny course for rotopaint artists. So hope that answers your question. I get these questions a lot because I just moved into Canada 2 years back, and I'm working as a rotopaint artist currently. So I don't have like big contacts or like a list of clients who could give me a lot of freelance projects and all, and hardly I get time for doing freelance. I'm not the guy who could give you freelance projects. So I hope you understood what I'm trying to tell. Next time if you want to ask about freelance projects, go and see this video. You will get to know the reality there. Okay. So what's the easiest way to reach Canada? That's another question which I'm getting frequently. I mean, I never thought I will reach Canada and I will work in an international company, but just try to work hard, just try to create something new or create something fresh for your profile. For me, it was my YouTube channel, and I was doing a lot of I was doing a lot of stuff in YouTube so that people abroad or people who are in higher position noticed my skills, or it was easy for me to showcase my skills because of this YouTube channel. And I was consistent in making videos, or I was consistent in learning. So I would suggest every one of you who wants to find jobs or opportunities in Canada to just create an awesome profile and start applying for companies, because I guess most of the companies are hiring across the globe right now, because we have a lot of job opportunities. So but to sum up the answer, the easiest way to reach Canada is taking education, because it's much easier than getting a PR or getting a work permit. I already have a podcast in my channel where I discussed about these things with my other two friends, and I already did a podcast with one of the talented senior compositor in Pixomondo. And he was explaining about how you could take education as a way to immigrate to Canada. Soon I am going to premiere the podcast, so hope that answers your question. Can you refer? Okay, so I'm open to referrals and helping others. Definitely I could do that, but it's very hard for companies to hire someone from abroad. Yeah, because especially for rotor paint, there aren't much artists here who works on rotor paint. So it's very hard for companies to prove to Canadian embassy or Canadian immigration to get you from India or any other country to Canada, because it's very hard, literally. So but you can definitely apply for the same companies over there in Mumbai or Pune or Bangalore or Chennai. If you need a referral for that, I will definitely help that. But but I'm open for helping anyone who needs a referral or something. So this is the question which I already answered, because I don't have any plan of taking online courses or creating a courses, at least for 2021. But there are a lot of possibilities for 2022. Because everywhere people are trying to learn skills, learn new knowledge from internet, and I'm trying to create a great platform for learning, especially visual effects and animation stuff. So I'm planning for a small course where you can study what is rotor paint and how you can become a skilled rotor paint. So soon I'm planning to launch the course, but I'm not sure when I'm going to do it or when it will get completed. So you can soon expect those kind of a online course or something, or maybe I will think I can do some online teaching as well. There are a lot of plans for 2022 which I didn't summarized. So I hope within a couple of weeks or within a month I will definitely give you an update or about this kind of online teaching or learning. Just watch my community tab, just follow my social media handles for more updates. So here I'm going to show you what's my monetary benefits for running this channel. And I want to be honest here, because running a YouTube channel is not that easy as we think. It needs a lot of effort, a lot of consistency. We need to learn about YouTubing stuff along with the content which we are making, and we need to learn digital marketing as well. So there are a lot of things going on behind running a YouTube channel. And 2021 was an amazing year for my YouTubing career, because I started earning from YouTube, and it's not that a big amount. For the effort we did, or for the thing which are interesting to us, we are just trying that in YouTube, and YouTube is paying for that. So that's amazing. So I'm going to show you the exact amount or exact dollars which I earned from YouTube. So stay tuned.
Hello. So okay, here we have the YouTube channel Madlookz VFX. As you know, this is our channel, and here you can see a lot of content. So if you want to support Madlookz VFX in a monetary way, you can just click on this join button, and you can join this channel as a true supporter as well as a true sponsor. If you are seeing this in youtube.com from India, you can see the true supporter price or money as something around like 90 rupees. I don't know how it works in other countries, but yeah, but obviously if you want to support Madlookz VFX to grow, to provide you much more amazing content, you can just click on this join button and support me in doing contents. Yeah, so let's talk about the monetary benefits. First of all, I just want to show you my Patreon account, and I was having two Patreons. One of the Patreon was Noah Katon. He's an amazing 2D compositor. Right now I think he's working in Mill. Yeah, so he was one of my Patreon, and the other Patreon is Katie Morris. I'm sure you all already know who is she. She owns a YouTube channel as well, Katie Morris FX. There you can see a lot of silhouette scripting kind of stuff. And she also has some amazing courses in FX PhD for Roto and Paint. So if you have time or if you are interested, you can just go and check it out in FX PhD. And also there is a website where you can download the KMFX scripts, which are super handy inside Silhouette. So yeah, so now let's jump into the monetary benefits. As I told, total earnings from Patreon from till today, it is like $17 almost like $18, and these all are the payouts which I already received. So a total of $193.12, that is around $200. Okay, now let's jump into the YouTube. So here we have YouTube earning part, that means revenue from YouTube. So as you can see, this is the revenue generated for December or the last 28 days. So if I changed this into last 365 days or lifetime, because you know, my earning just got started from this year January, so I'm just going to show you the lifetime earning. Okay, so here we go. So it's almost like $236, almost like $237. So let's calculate. So almost $430. This is the earning which I received, or you know, which I made from YouTubing in 2021. So I don't want to keep anything in secret, and I just want to let you know like how a YouTuber in visual effects with 5,000 subscribers, almost around 5,000 subscribers, can earn in a year. I hope it made sense, and it gave you an idea about how much a YouTuber with visual effects content could earn in a year. So yeah, this is all about this.
So I hope this video gives you an overall assumption of like how 2021 was for Madlookz VFX and how it's going to be for in the 2022 as well. So my final suggestion or my final advice to every one of you is like start learning new skills and start being consistency in what you're learning, and also try to help others by sharing content or whatever you learned. You just try to teach them as well, because you know, while teaching you will be also learning. So these all are my final advices, or you know, final rant that every one of you, if you wish to follow, definitely you are going to get benefited because of that. So I hope this year was a fantastic year for you, and I wish all the best for the next year, and I wish every one of you a happy new year. So follow Madlookz VFX in all other social media handles, and follow the YouTube channel, and just keep supporting us. So finally be the part of learning.